Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel. The weekend is over, so we are back to work. Today is Monday the 8th of May. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I got my hot coffee, I got the Bob Marley blasting, and I've got a pretty good setup here for you in Amazon. So depending on how the bigger picture unfolds this week, the S&P's a QQQ, if things are all generally strong, thinking about buying some calls here on Amazon. So y'all know I love the squeeze, and my favorite version of the squeeze is the nested squeeze. A nested squeeze, of course, is when you have a squeeze on one time frame, and then on a lower time frame, you have another squeeze. Squeeze on squeeze action, and Amazon here's got quite a handful. Quite a handful of them. So starting on the daily chart, we have a daily bull squeeze. Now here's the kicker. You have a daily bull squeeze right on top of the buy zone. Right on top of that daily 21 EMA. And we like that. As opposed to getting a bunch of nested squeezes, somewhere up here. So daily bull squeeze. And when I say bull squeeze, that refers to the big 3 indicator. We got a squeeze, and the daily chart prints that buy signal. So daily bull squeeze, and then if you crank it down to a 2-hour chart, inside of your daily bull squeeze, you have a 2-hour bull squeeze. Squeeze and a buy signal. Inside of your 2-hour bull squeeze, you drop it down to the hourly, and you got an hourly bull squeeze. You drop down to a 30-minute chart, and there's a 30-minute bull squeeze already firing to the upside. Already getting the party going. Inside the 30-minute squeeze, there's a 15-minute bull squeeze heading into the open, and inside of the 15-minute bull squeeze, there is a neutral 5-minute squeeze, which frankly for this morning session, that's the one to focus on. Because what I'm looking for here is that domino effect. If the 5-minute squeeze can push, we get our pump going, and the 5-minute squeeze fires long, that could trigger the 15-minute to then go on and fire to the upside as well. That could eventually cause your 30-minute chart to continue to push. 30-minute chart already fires a squeeze, but if that bad boy continues to push, that could eventually go on to trigger your hourly squeeze to fire to the upside. You see where I'm going with this? If the hourly squeeze fires to the upside, that might go on to trigger your 2-hour bull squeeze to fire long. And if the 2-hour bull squeeze fires long, then I think you're looking for the big daily to go on ahead and do very much the same thing. So my target here, guys, would be a push back towards that 112 level. And if that domino effect can unfold and we have a strong market, think we got a pretty good shot here over the next week or 2 weeks to see that push. But then, of course, if the S&Ps and the Qs get spanked today and they fall apart, Amazon probably falls apart as well. So no telling how this week goes, no telling if we actually take the trade. But as far as good-looking setups, Amazon is the best thing that I got this morning, guys. Daily bull squeeze, 2-hour bull squeeze, 1-hour bull squeeze, 30-minute bull squeeze, 15-minute bull squeeze, and a 5-minute squeeze to top it all off. So that'll be the focus here early today. And for those of you in the options room, I will see y'all at the open. And for the rest of you, I will be back here this morning at 8:45 a.m. Eastern for a little bit of pre-market prep. But being that Amazon was one of the better things that I saw this weekend, figured I would jump on the mic here a little bit earlier, do a quick video, and get this posted. So there you have it, folks. Nested squeeze on top of nested squeeze in Amazon. We'll see what it can do this week.